Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I'm making egg frittata for breakfast. I will look at that grains vegetable. This is a very healthy vegetables that you can use to make your frittata. It's in the family of spinach. You can also use spinach to make your egg frittata. This is a children-friendly egg recipe and they would love. The only thing I'm missing here is my garlic and maybe ginger, which is not really necessary for this recipe, but garlic for sure. But I have my greens. Yeah, you can use kale leaf for this very recipe. You can use greens. You can use mustard green if there's anything like that. I think I've heard about mustard green. Yeah, but that greens are from my garden. Yes, we are making frittata. Guys, but I'm not going to be adding milk. I'm not going to be adding cheese. I'm going to make it so natural and I'm going to make it so healthy. Yeah, you can go ahead and add cheese if you like. You can go ahead and add milk if you want. But for this recipe, I'm going to just make it as natural as possible because the aim here is to eat healthy. All right, guys, so you can choose to add whatever you want to add. We're going to let the egg set. I'm also going to be going in with this grains. This is grains. We call these grains in Nigeria, and this is what my mom usually used to make us some very delicious breakfast back in the days. She will make this delicious grains and egg vegetable, egg sauce that we can use for yam, we can use for bread, and take some tea. Guys, it's usually very, very delicious, and the scrambled egg used to come out very, very, very tasty and delicious. So guys, look at how my egg is looking. We are making the frittata egg recipe, which is also very good for breakfast. Okay, this is a breakfast idea. It's something you can make for your children. Children love this. Look at that. Yeah, this is beautiful. It's on my channel. You can go look it up. Yes, you can make with spinach, you can make with kale, you can make with collard green, but I'm using grains because this is from my garden. Look at that. I feel so blessed, honestly. When I say this, some people don't know what I mean, that I can eat those things I eat back in Nigeria here in America. For me, honestly, it is just a privilege and it's just by the mercy of God. So, guys, let's finish up with this because I'm going to be going to the market today. I told you guys I do not have tomatoes and some other fresh items like ginger, garlic, and all the rest of them. So, get ready because after this breakfast, we are going to the fresh marketplace to get our items. Okay, guys, are you ready? Voila, our frittata is ready. Look at that. I came to buy fresh items, guys. Like I told you guys, let's do some shopping here. And I have to do voiceover in most of this video because the noise in this market is on the high side and I do not want any copyright claim. As a big buyer, I have several customers in this market, yes. And when I come here, I try to buy from each one of them. So I asked him to get me a case of tomatoes. That box is not looking like it's big well to me. It doesn't, huh? It's 25 pounds. So he put it on the scale and he said it's 25 pounds. And this he sold for me for $40. So you can imagine how small that case of tomatoes is looking. I would have loved that you guys will hear from them how much they are selling these items. The music is playing, so it is what it is. But anyways, what can we do? Is you can't tell people not to play their music, especially in a marketplace. So I'll continue to shop. This is another shop where I went to buy my carrots, my cucumber, and some other items because he's one of the people I used to buy things from. But honestly, guys, things are very expensive, like I keep saying. Of course, it's what you see in the markets that you buy. Yeah. So I think I was asking her if that was black soap. I didn't know that was something else, and she said that was something else. So this is me trying to package my carrot. I'm trying to pick the good ones because sometimes some of them start getting bad quickly. Yeah, but these are fresh items. Trust me, they are not like items you are not sure about. These ones are from the farm directly. Yes, that is why I like to shop from these people most of the time. Yeah, so I'm just going to pick a couple of eats so that I would have taken everything here, but I know it's going to be very expensive, more than my budget, which I am not going to spend more than what I brought to the market because I have particular budgets that I'm working with on this very day. So this is me just trying to pick much as I can because I use carrots a lot. I use fruits and vegetables a lot, so that's why I buy them a lot. I wanted to show you guys this cocoyam that I planted recently. I usually eat this cocoyam. If you know this cocoyam, drop on the comment section this very cocoyam. What do you call this cocoyam? Let me know on that comment section. I just planted this cocoyam from the last one I ate. Stay tuned. So we are here at the Sam's Club to pick some other items. Like I said, we needed to pick some other things like oatmeal, water, and a couple of other things, guys. Yeah, that's why we just stopped by here. And I needed to pick my onion here because the onion at the fresh marketplace was more expensive. So I decided to pick my onion from Sam's Club. That way I will know that I have good onions. Yeah, because Sam's Club have very good onion. So I'm going to pick couple and then we pick other items. So I usually buy garlic from here and I buy very good garlic. And it's usually sold for $6 something. By the time I pay for the garlic and the tax, I might be going to $7. Just call it $7 for this bunch of garlic. And it's a whole lot, but I regretted buying from Fresh Marketplace because that small little piece I bought from Fresh Marketplace is for $5. So you can imagine. Yeah, that's why sometimes I just wait until I get to Sam's before I buy certain things. But anyway, it is what it is. I wanted to pick some avocado pears and pick some pineapples for the week. Yeah, I had to pick two pineapples because I am working on budget, like I said. And if I buy more than what I have budgeted, I will have to take it back because I came to this store with my husband and I have to respect myself. Trust me, guys, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is beef tripe, and this beef tripe is almost $50. It's 40 something. Look at that, 46, 44. Is that not almost is that not almost $50? So you can imagine how expensive these things are. This is something I used to buy for $18 before, like $20, but it's times two of what we used to buy it. So these things are very expensive, and sometimes when you cook for some of our friends around here, they think it's cheap. They don't know that things are very expensive. You have not even talked about the meat. Look at how much they're selling meat. And for us that like to cook our soup with 2 3 different types of protein, including fish and stockfish, it's going to like 5 different type of protein. These things are very expensive, but people don't know that these things are not cheap at all. And some people are not grateful. Fine, yeah. Well, you all, I met mom because I showed them the tray I made for her. So they said check on her and make sure she's fine. Yeah. We have been here, like this is the third time we are here in this store, and we've been looking for her all over the place and we haven't seen her. Today is Sunday. We stepped into the store and look at her, and I told her I'm so disappointed. So she said she wanted the rice again. So bad. I was so disappointed when I made food. I didn't see you, but we'll have to give it to somebody else because It is what it is. I've already made the fool, you know. Well, I'm gonna try again and make it up to you.
I'll have to come
It's
where
not
you
my
at. I'll
fault.
come and get it. If you make it, I'll come and get it.
Oh my
Because
goodness.
it's so good. And I
Yeah,
haven't had it since New York.
yeah. I'm gonna try, okay? I'll try and see if I can, make another one.
Okay. I'm gonna look when we can't have our phone when I go in the locker and see if it come up. This is
Okay.
gonna show spam. I missed the spam call.
Okay, so you're gonna see my
Text
text.
her. Yeah, you can text
I'll
her.
text and I'll tell you this is Miss Ann. I'll text you
Okay,
now and tell
text
you
me.
this is Miss Ann.
Yeah, I
So
want to see what it show
call
up.
me.
If
Okay.
it's gonna show up spam on my
Okay,
phone.
okay, that's fine. Okay, guys, just want to let you guys know that we did our best, and today, boom, look at her.